Okay, our last video of this quarter. We are working in the intermediate algebra textbook again. This is the evaluate and graph logarithmic function section. We won't be doing every objective from this lesson. So if you're actually following along in the textbook, just know that this class does not require that I teach you everything from this section, and that I will only be teaching you what I'll be testing you over for this class. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to teach you is how to convert from logarithm to exponent, okay? And here's how I was taught to do this. This, which is our base, raised to this power is equal to this number, okay? Base to this power equals this number right here. All right, so let's practice that. Again, this is just another way to show you. This raised to this power equals this. Okay. Now let's convert from exponential form to logarithmic form. All right, so log, and our base here is 2. Then we have what it's equal to is equal to the exponent number. Okay, so that is the conversion. This to that power equals that. Okay? All right, let's do it again on part B. Log, our base is 5. What it's equal to goes right here, and then the exponent goes on the other side. Okay? All right, remember, base to that power equals that. All right, let's do the last one. Log of 1/2, and then we have what it's equal to equals our exponent. Now, can you solve for x in this problem? What power of x would give us 16 in that denominator? Okay, well, we've already got the 2 in the denominator, so 2 to what power is 16? 4. So if we had to solve for x here, we could say that x is equal to 4. We didn't really need to convert it to logarithmic function or a logarithmic form in order to solve for x here, but we got some practice in. All right, so now we're converting from logarithmic form to exponential form. Okay, so this would be 8 is our base, this is our exponent, this number is what it's equal to. Is this true? 8 squared equals 64? Yep. All right. On part B, we've got 4 to the exponent of 0 equals 1. And that's true also. All right, let's look at part C. 10 to the negative 3 power is equal to 1 over 1,000. Yes, that is true as well. All right, so now let's try to solve for x, okay? So now let's rewrite these in exponential form. So I would have x to the second power is equal to 36. Now how do you solve for x here? Take the square root, okay? So we've got x is equal to plus or minus 6, but remember, we cannot have a negative number down here. So the negative does not work here, so x is only 6. Let's look at part B. So we've got 4 to the third power is equal to x. 4 to the third power is 64, so 64 is equal to x. All right, let's look at part C. We've got 1/2 raised to the x power is equal to 1/8. So what number would give us an 8 in that denominator? We've already got the 2 down there, so it doesn't need to be moved, okay? The 2 is going to stay down there, but what power of 2 would give us an 8 down there? And that is a 3. There we go. That's it. All right, we are done with this lesson. That's all I'm going to teach you. Again, if you're following along in the book, there's definitely more to it, but this is all I'm going to be testing you over in this class. So I'm going to stop here, and you can go on and do your homework, and that should be about as tough as it gets on this section. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and have a great day.